Is this on? I don't know. Well, welcome back anyways. So, really, people? Today we shall be playing this game. I've already defeated one creature today. And I will... Okay, okay. Mistakes forever. Republic versus... Oh, wait, I'm not playing Legos today. Oh yes, I forgot to mention this. There's a reason why I'm making videos now. It's because I've been excavating my room. It's very dirty. And now you can actually see the floor. But you don't care about that. And I was doing driver's training, which sucked, to say the least. Well, not sucked, but it made it impossible to make a video, because then when I got to my house... Actually, talking about houses, I need to find my way back. Let's see how fast you are, little rodent. Oh yeah, this is a T-Rex and a scorpion. It's called the prehistoric pincher. Ooh. Dodge. And that shall be all I can collect. There we go. My beautiful house. Two, okay. Wait, did it take iron? Oh, okay, I'm safe. I think I actually have 10 stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you know? We're gonna make a mansion. And I just crapped myself. I would needed that gold for something else. Well, this video was just to tell you guys what I'm doing. Also, by the way, I want you to go to your app stores if you have a phone. Type in Fallout Shelter, and when it shows you what other games Bethesda has made, go to their one website for the app store where you can collect to their icon and it shows what they've made. There's a new Skyrim coming out. It's basically where you're a blade that it seems like it sounds like it's an RPG slash role-playing thing, but it looks cool, but I do not know, and I will make a video on it, like, to check it out and stuff. Also, if we go and I pressed the wrong one, didn't I? What's Mutant Market? Also, guys, I will not be able to make any oh, there it is. Any videos on the PS4 because the stand on the back of my phone broke, so unless I find something else to use, like build a Lego one, which I could do, I have pieces. There's probably gonna be one that comes out probably today, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it on Skyrim and or Fallout, Lego Worlds, which, by the way, I made me a custom Skyrim map on Lego Worlds. Like, some of the houses that they've put on their custom builds thing that you can grab the brick builds, the one Forest Hideaway kind of looks like one of the old houses that are in the game, kind of, so I've been using those. Okay, this Mutant Market is broken. Achievements, inventory, manage powers, ooh. What's this button do? Whoa. That was cool. Wait, if I could just... God, I need to make a jump. Oh yeah, they added multiplayer for this. I think I can try to show you guys if I figure it flipping out. No. Yes. Yes, please. Yes, abstract software. Yes, we know you. I'm actually kind of glad that... Oh my goodness. Nope. Gonna save me from having to edit that. Well, I guess that would be the end of this video, because they're about to show something that you guys do not need to see, because I don't feel like editing today. But anyways, I shall see you all later, hopefully today when I make an actual video. Bye.